What's up guys, this is R.V.C and this is my review of RII 12 wireless keyboard. RII or RII actually means Real Internet Idea. I purchased this RII keyboard from GearBest for roughly $20 and it comes in only one color option, that is black. I will leave the link in the description below where you can purchase it. So let's see what you get when you purchase this product. First and foremost, you get this customer card from GearBest before you open the package. Well, if you're not pleased with the product, you can fill the form and either return or exchange the product. Thanks GearBest, but I'm pleased with this product and thumbs up for that. So inside the package, you get this RII 12 wireless keyboard, one USB wireless receiver, one charging cable, a user manual which is in English and which we all don't read, and a thank you card from RII. I believe this is the company name. Anyway, let's have a look at the product itself. Though the keyboard is very slim, it's not that light. It weighs around 280 grams and measures 10.43 by 3.5 by 0.5 inches. This keyboard feels durable and it has this metal around it and at the back, which makes it look really beautiful. Before I forget, this keyboard works with a Smart TV, PC, home theater, PlayStation and Xbox. The keyboard itself has two parts. One is with the full QWERTY keys and the other part is touchpad. The keys actually feel very intact and they are very responsive. It's like they are made to last. The touchpad is also responsive. With one finger, you can use to navigate around or just tap once to act as a click. With two fingers tap, you can use it as a right click. Then we have a USB mini port. This is actually to charge the inbuilt 450 mAh lithium ion battery inside the keyboard. The battery life is pretty good. In fact, I'm using the keyboard with my PC and it looks really awesome. Finally, we have an on-off switch. Once you switch the keyboard on, there's an LED which starts to blink. So what are my recommendations? Well, it is cheap and the build quality is really good. As I said earlier, with the material used, it's meant to last. If you don't mind the size, then go for it. Just for your info, this thing also has a trackpad, so you don't really need a mouse. And you want to amaze people and you don't mind answering questions, then go for it. Because it's really tiny and people will definitely ask you questions about that keyboard. If comfortability is your first priority, and what I mean is you will be spending a lot of time typing or using the keyboard as a gaming tool, then don't, because it's really small and it's not comfortable, though the keys are well spaced. Well, that's basically it regarding this RII wireless keyboard. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.